All right, traders, crypto markets going down. Well, it's not a rocket science, guys, because Bitcoin is telling the entire crypto markets to go to the downside. So, yes, all of your coins are doing that. When the landlord tells you to vacate the house, yes, the tenants have to leave that goddamn house and maybe look for a new place, right? So, essentially, guys, this is why Bitcoin is considered as a landlord. Now, this is my own theory and philosophy, I guess. But yeah, guys, this is how things work in crypto market. If Bitcoin is telling that the liquidity is drying, if Bitcoin is saying that the trend is down, yes, FOMOing into any altcoin is going to hurt. But there are always going to be outliers. In this video, we will talk about those outliers, guys, and how you can hedge yourself while being in the crypto market itself, right? But before we jump onto BTC and Ethereum, on this particular video right here, I asked all of you to mention your favorite shitcoin, right? So out of 720 people, only 2 of you actually replied. So yeah. Thanks for this, guys. Jake Banks and Gary Luzon right here. Jake Banks talking about Sia coin and Gary talking about Doggy coin. So let's take a look at Sia coin at first. So guys, here's Sia coin charted for all of you. So Sia coin is a cloud storage. It's a decentralized storage, and something like Filecoin also does kind of that thing on a fundamental grounds, right? But guys, look, before investing into anything, you got to combine both the things. You got to look at the technical landscape and the fundamental landscape and see for yourself whether the condition is in perfect shape and form or size to enter into these markets, right? So the fundamentals might be completely bullish, but the technicals are REKT are going to the downside, guys. Look, if I just turn on the logarithmic chart away, you can see the bubble burst right here, and I think we are down significantly on this one, I guess 80%, 85. Holy crap. Well, guys, look, here's one little thing that I can show you right here. So you're down 80%, 86% already, right? So new investors would be like, oh my god, yes, Sia coin is down 86%. If I buy this, I'm going to be buying this for a discount. Well, guess what, Sherlock, from this exact price point, Sia can go down by another 96%. Holy crap, mathematics for you guys, right? Well, this is how things work. And similar things on uptrends also, guys. This is why let's not get overwhelmed by anything, and let's be completely objective when we are playing with money, right? We are playing with money right here. We're talking about investments right here. So we look at areas of values. For the time being, the areas of values for Sia coin is right here at the 200 simple on the 3-year time frame itself, because this moving average started this entire goddamn trend to the upside. This moving average pushed the price action to the upside, leaving this entire 3-year long accumulation range, resolving this one to the upside. So yes, this is going to be significant. This moving average retest is going to be significant. So once we start trending below this one, I don't think anything is going to support Sia coin in terms of technicals, and we're going to teleport down all the way towards 0.005. Until then, if we get supported from these price points, yes, we'll be having a bounce and we'll be testing this rejection high, which is significantly lower than all of your previous highs, right? And we can talk about further continuation move to the upside or the downside from these price points. Until then, this is your point of support. So next up, we have Doggy coin and the time frame, which is significant. The 10-hour time frame, guys. This time frame is like wizardry. This time frame is like fucking abracadabra for you. Holy shit. Why do I say this, guys? Because the 55 and the 200 simple golden cross that happened on Dogecoin from these price points took this one to the moon right here, where your sell signal was somewhere alongside your Saturday Night Live, guys. Holy crap. I think this was somewhere when Saturday Night Live actually, oh, man, just all right, this is hindsight right here, but you can navigate down to the weekend pep talks, I guess, from this exact week, guys. I think 7th of May itself, I was talking about how the Saturday Night Live could be a perfect short entry for Dogecoin itself. And look, guys, in hindsight, it's quite easy to talk about these things. But guess what, guys? When the price was right here, I was convicted. I was actually talking about how taking a short position on these levels could pay out in the future, and that got reinforced, that got confirmed with this bearish cross between the 55 and the 200 simple itself right here, guys. Look, why do I say of this? Because this was your golden cross, this was your 100x, and this was your bearish cross. So I think things can't be simpler than that. You gotta fucking exit when the market is giving you clear-cut indications. And if you are emotionally invested into S coins, into shit coins like this, get some help, I guess. Look guys, I think the only reason why I say this thing right now is the fact that I wish somebody told this to me when I started entering into shitcoins back in the good old days, and I saw the liquidity drying away from the market every single day, and I was not selling any which ways because I was like, if I hold it long enough, I'm gonna just break even and maybe I'll profit as well. But guys, guess what? You just saw, if an asset goes down by 90%, that doesn't mean that the asset can't go down even 99% down further, right? So save yourself some slack. Maybe wait for some perfect time when Bitcoin bottoms out and eventually puts in a new accumulation low, and that is maybe when you can start scaling into altcoins, right? As far as the trend is down on Bitcoin, most of the crypto assets are going to be dragged down as a macro picture, guys. I'm not talking about your short squeezes that are happening in the hourly time frame or 4-hour time frame. If your fucking invalidation is right here, anything that happens between this entire zone is going to be irrelevant for that matter, right? So let's talk about some technical levels right here. You can see obvious support happening out of these levels. So until your 10-hour candles are closing above this exact support, yes, you got little hopium in the small time frames. But if you lose this one to the downside on a 10-hour opening and a closing basis, judging by this high right here, judging by this rejection high right here, your stop loss could be right here and you can target right here, guys. This is going to be your perfect risk to reward opportunity in a short position behavior for the asset itself, right? Okay, where the heck is it going? I think I'm going to stop it right here. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be looking like a 1.87 R&R, and yes, guys, this could be a potentially good trade. Now, this is obviously not a financial advice. Never going to tell you what to do with your money, right? Not a financial advice, but hit that like, go for that subscribe, and trade on good exchanges like FTX itself. Links down in the description, right? Yes, that is a referral link. Yes, and yes, you will get 5% discount on your trading fees for lifetime. No time period on FTX, guys. I think Binance has a little time frame going on, and a lot of other exchanges do have a time frame going on, but I think there's an unlimited 5% off on the fees if you use the referral link down in the description below. Holy crap, I can't believe I just shilled my referral link. Holy crap. Alright, guys, now this could be a good risk reward opportunity going on, and guess what? I do not think that this is going to be a very strong support, guys. Judging by the momentum to the downside, judging by everything being postured to the bare end to the downside, yes, this is not going to be a good support, but yes, we could be looking at some small time frame bounces. But if I would be jumping onto a trade like this, I would be a little generous for my downside targets, guys, all the way towards these price points. Now that brings us about a 2.77 R&R, and that's considerable, guys. That's a considerable risk to reward opportunity right here, and your invalidation is right here at this rejection high. Alright, so this trade gets triggered after we start closing 10-hour candles below this exact price point, guys. Play with the money that you're willing to lose, and yes, this can go up immediately in the next 10-hour candle, and yes, you can get stopped out. Yes, guys, trading works like this. Yes, it works like this, right? Now there are some macro events like this one, like Saturday Night Live, guys. Dogecoin being shilled onto Saturday Night Live, onto your freaking television. Yes, that's gonna be crazy, guys. That's gonna be all right. Now we are not dealing with any situation like that, but essentially whenever you see these kind of situations going on and you have instruments to short these assets, go for that. Let your risk to reward opportunity, let your system play its own game, and yep, things could look nice in the coming days, I guess. Okay, so what do we have next? We have Bitcoin. Bitcoin still continuing its downtrend. Right after closing this candle, yes, we are looking at the follow through with the downside targets all the way towards 27,000 Bitcoin. And if we just pinpoint these wick lows, are we aligning with the support? Not exactly, but why the fuck am I doing that? I don't get it. It's not going to work out like that, right? So essentially what we're doing is, guys, we are pulling this momentum to the downside. And one more thing which I totally forgot to talk about in the previous video. Alright, yesterday's video was the fact that this weekly candle closure has confirmed all the facts and figures and all the theories and all the postulations about this entire region being your potential higher low if we compare it with this one, guys. This one confirms the fact. This candle closure said that we want to set in new lower lows. Well, that was confirmed long ago right here. I'm look, guys, the bear trend was confirmed right here long ago with this rejection, with this mega massive rejection candle. But in terms of your lower low and higher low structures right here, yes, you're confirming another fact that we want to go for new lows in the coming days. Holy crap. So essentially good days coming as the volatility is also expanding. Let me just jump onto the daily time frame where we can see, not the daily, guys, I guess the 4-hour time frame had the volatility expansion going from 0. Yes. So yes, guys, things can get crazy volatile, to be honest with you guys. This is a crazy dead heartbeat signal right here, right? Nothing was happening in the market, and nothing is happening in the market as of now as well. And we're looking at a volatile expansion from zero reads, guys. Last time we saw this happen, your market was putting in a macro top, right? So essentially anything can happen right here, guys. The volatility could expand to the downside crazily, and it could expand to the upside crazily as well. And even if you are in a position, be prepared for extreme volatile situations, guys. Be prepared for your PNL going plus and minus, I guess, 20-30% in one single day, guys, because BTC volatility is just about to expand from here, guys, from here. Right now, essentially right after this grind breakdown, my targets and how the way I would want to trade this one is going to be having a stop loss on these levels and wanting to go for this target right here at $27,000 levels. Although the ship has sailed, the time is gone, and this was your another confirmation that we are going to be continuing this downtrend, guys. And as soon as the daily candle opened today, that was your follow through move to the downside. So we're going to be testing this wick low right here, although I don't see any significance, guys. The significance was right here when the weekly candle did close below below the previous low, below the Tesla low right here, guys, confirming the fact that we want new lows, right? And judging by the inverse trend right here, this is picking up. This is starting to pick up, right? This is just started looking nice. And essentially, if I want to be aggressively trading this one, I would be aggressively managing my stop losses right here and managing my risks right here. And I would be going for a continuation move all the way towards at least $27,000 levels. And once we start losing that one, guys, look, I can put on VPVR a couple of hundred times back again for you guys right here, and I can talk about how the volume nodes are sitting in at. Look, guys, first volume node is at $23,000 levels. The second volume node is at the previous all-time high, lower than the previous all-time high, sitting in at $19,000 Bitcoin. And if that happens, that's going to be really catastrophic, guys. Holy shit. But guess what, guys? You know what my instincts and what my guts are telling me? My guts and my instincts are telling me to fuck away from all the indicators and expect a move like this. Call it crazy, call it madness, but our crypto market is wrecked, guys. Our crypto market is highly liquid, and conducting these manipulated moves to the downside or the upside is not that hard, guys. Not that hard, right? So this is essentially what my gut feeling is telling me, that this kind of fuckery could happen, guys. This kind of stupidity could happen, and we could just squeeze the fuck out of all the short positions in the market, go for the new fuel, and then continue our down leg, guys. Then continue our down leg, right? Okay, so this is complete speculation, to be honest with you. Complete, full blown out speculation. There's no indication, but there's just the price action, guys, and the price action makes me skeptic, right? Price action really makes me skeptical because it's very obvious that we are starting this downtrend. We are just going to the downside. This is just about to start, right? So essentially anything could happen, and I would be cautious. I would be cautiously bearish if I want to go for a short position. This is what I want to tell you guys. Okay, so next up we have Ethereum completing the target. Well, very nice. Good job by Mr. Ethereum, hitting the downside target exactly to the T. Finally, after going for some REKT behaviors, the price action, yes, it came back down all the way towards these price points, guys. And in the first and the foremost pass, yes, this is a good R&R. This is a good risk reward opportunity play right here in front of our eyes, right? So this is your invalidation zone. This exact wick low is going to be your invalidation zone in terms of a closing basis, in terms of 4-hour closing basis. Until then, yes, guys, we can have a bounce right here. And you know the deal. I have been talking about this entire price range as a potential support, and then we can take the price action, get reaccumulated for a little bit of time, like for a day or something like that, chop around this region, and then we can go all the way towards these price points at $2,000 flat per Ethereum, then continue our down leg. But if things start getting, if things do start getting accelerated to the downside, if BTC loses the grounds, then yes, guys, this support is going to be wrecked, and yes, Ethereum is going to get murdered. And then probably test the previous all-time highs, sitting in at $1,430 levels, right? And then we can talk about potential down move all the way towards $999 per Ethereum as a potential target, just weakened below the $1,000 levels. Now that's also bullshit. I'm just having some little fun right here because the market is looking like complete shit, guys. Market is looking like complete piece of shit. Just take a look at this watch list, guys. Just take a look at the FTX perps right here. Everything down like crazy, guys. Holy shit. Linear protocol down. Linear protocol is wrecked as fuck. Let's take a look at KNC as well. Let's take a look at Kusuma. Everything down. Kusuma, after breaking the grind, down back at $140 levels. Holy crap. Let's see what is significantly down. Well, Flow blockchain is down, guys. Flow blockchain is down. Okay, okay, all right. So I guess in the NFT, the top NFT projects, I was talking about a potential target towards these price points. After this one, guys, after clearing $12 levels, your target was $17 levels, right? And that would have been your perfect trade. And after that, Flow blockchain would do anything. The price action could do anything but you take an exit right here at this point and then just forget about the market, guys. This is how you capitalize on the market. This is how you slowly build your equity, and this is how you keep on playing the game, right? You want to build your equity and you don't want to be married. You don't want to be married with these assets, guys. Essentially, this is what you should have up your head and constantly build your equity, guys, because the market is not going to care about you. The Dogecoin or any shitcoin does not care about you. Alright, so you should also not care about that fucking Dogecoin or any shitcoin for that matter. Capitalize on the move. Capitalize on the moves to the upside or the downside. Build your equity. Build your equity. Look at the markets very objectively, right? Come out profitable. And hit that like as well. Hit that like as well. Alright, so let's see what do we have next, guys. I think I was pretty much done with Ethereum, or was I? Was I or was I not? Alright, I guess, yeah, I guess that was it. Alright, guys, so let's jump on to the main topic for this video right here. This one for you guys is Tesla against BTC, guys. And this one has started its trend, guys. I think the last time I made the video about how you can actually hedge your exposure by being in the crypto market itself, it's going to be first by jumping onto FTX, right? By trading on FTX, guys. I think FTX truly allows you to have that dynamic trading environment with your crypto assets, right? With your crypto assets, having your crypto assets as a collateral and trying to trade stock markets is possible, guys. Yes, it is goddamn possible. Yes, it is possible on FTX. And all right, even if you have your Tesla holdings or your Amazon holdings, you can keep those assets as your collateral and trade Bitcoin for that matter. Holy shit, what sort of exchange is doing that? I don't know, guys. I don't know. FTX has completely, or not completely, but yeah, FTX has quite literally closed the gap between your traditional market and crypto markets, right? So if your crypto bear trend is going to be emerging, you want to be hedging your exposure, you want to be hedging your crypto market exposure, right? And essentially, guys, this is the time to consider, this is the time to think about an exchange which is going to be serving you. And look, guys, you also know one thing: if you want to come out profitable as a trader, the first thing that you have to build for yourself is consistency, right? Consistency in a system that you have prepared for yourself, that consists of everything, probably risk management and your position sizing and your stop loss and everything, entry, exit, and how you look at the market, right? And you want options for yourself. You should not restrict yourself just into crypto assets. Let me just readjust my mic right here. All right, so you should not restrict your mindset and a thought process only to crypto assets. Maybe you can be a perma bull on crypto assets like I am, guys. I'm a goddamn perma bull on BTC, right? I'm a complete blown out bulltard on BTC in the whole, guys, in the macro, right? And I don't really care about BTC, my BTC holdings going below $3,000 as well. I just don't care about that, because I have been down the Bitcoin line for a very long time and I know what works and what doesn't. So yep, I'm going to be permanently bullish on BTC. But am I not going to trade the moves that happen to the downside just because I'm a maximalist? Fuck no. If any goddamn asset is moving to the upside or the downside, which is helping me to increase my BTC portfolio, why the heck would I not take that trade, guys? Why would I not take that goddamn opportunity to the upside or the downside? Doesn't matter, right? And right here is an opportunity for us. Right here is a crypto market hedge opportunity for us, guys. Putting in a new higher low right here, confirming that yes, you want to go to the upside. This is Tesla against BTC, and current price action is stating in at 2 million satoshis, guys. 2.1 million satoshis. I think yes, the last time I made video on Tesla BTC was right here at 2 million satoshis flat. I do believe that you have your upside targets potentially all the way towards 0.5, essentially 5 million satoshis. 5 million satoshis per Tesla could be your potential upcoming target if we keep on tumbling down below onto key levels for BTC itself. And if Bitcoin goes to 10,000, let's just assume Bitcoin goes to $10,000, $12,000, guys, Tesla against BTC could probably go to 0.1 BTC per Tesla. Good looking swing trade, good looking opportunity, good looking hedge while being in the crypto market itself. Brought to you by FTX. God damn, like I fucking sound like a sponsor. Maybe somebody just forward this video to FTX so that they can help this channel grow, I guess. Alright, so this is Tesla against BTC, and this is wanting to trend to the upside. This is just starting. This is just a new trend under emergence, guys. And look, All right, let's talk about the rectangular breakout, which I was talking about how a rectangular breakout could work like a charm all throughout the bull market, guys. These breakouts are real and these breakouts are strong every single time, at least in crypto assets, guys. And we are dealing with Tesla against BTC, so yeah, we kind of like dealing with crypto assets only. But yeah, these breakouts are real. So essentially, your stop loss and your getting out of the market could essentially be somewhere alongside the 21 exponential. As if we start closing candles, 3-day candles below the 21 exponential, that could put the trend under jeopardy. But in the small time frames, this is your risk management, and your ultimate risk management is right here, guys. And if I see right here, this is not much, okay, this is not much. If you manage your equity perfectly fine, while the rest of the crypto market could look absolutely wrecked and absolutely red, this is not looking, I mean, guys, there is no bull market, there is no bear market, there is only market. It's only market, guys. It's only market. Bull and bear perspectives are there up your head, right? They might be there in your head or my head or any trader's head for that matter, out of which we base our thesis and trading off of, right? But essentially, there is no bull market, no bear market. There's just the market. So learn to survive in any condition, right? Learn to survive in any condition. Look, guys, I think all throughout the bear market, all throughout the previous bear market, also there were opportunities down the line. There were opportunities, and heck yeah, man! If crypto markets liquidity has completely dried off and it's completely gone away, I think nothing should stop you from taking all that money and putting into equity markets and trading on to some markets which are essentially moving in your favor, right? It's not a big deal about that, guys. Whatever is helping you build your own capital and equity itself, go for that. Do it. Have a system, have a risk management in place, and do it. Guys, look, FTX allows that. Back again to that point. FTX allows you to trade those equities and crypto assets as well. And in our financial universe right here, I don't see any big opportunity than your stock markets and crypto markets as well. Both the biggest opportunities right here at FTX. This exchange is the goddamn future. I can have a vision for this exchange as a whole, guys. FTX, right? I can really have that. I can see that happening for FTX, because this is actually bridging the gap, and the liquidity will constantly flow in and out of FTX even throughout the bear market or the bull market. It won't really matter. Liquidity will flow in this exchange. Watch as it happens, guys. Watch as it happens, right? Okay, so next up, what do we have? We have Tesla against Dogecoin right here. And yep, this has started emerging as a good trend, guys. This is a good looking trend. And guess what, guys? This is an inverted chart of Dogecoin. This is your inverted chart of Dogecoin. Tesla against Doge is your Doge against USD inverted, right? And this has just started dripping down, guys. Most likely we'll have a little bounce on these levels right here, but this has just started dripping down, right? Look, guys, these price actions are from bear markets. These price actions are from bear market, guys. You always try to bounce right here. I mean, you always try to bounce onto some key levels, only creating an upthrust for new short positions in the market for a potential down leg. I mean, this kind of price action behavior is always there, guys. Always there in a bear trend, right? So we just invert the chart, right? Let me just revert the chart. So you can see, guys, this has started emerging as a potential bull trend. And guys, this is not a goddamn rocket science. This is as fucking obvious as it can get. And I'm going to rewind this video, I guess, down the line, down couple of months, I guess, 4 to 5 months down the line. Yes, I'm going to play this clip from this exact video, and I'm going to talk about how this target came into fruition when I was screaming about this target being very obvious, guys. Holy crap. Now, okay, all right. Now, if anything goes wrong with Tesla, if Elon Musk quits, or if Elon Musk just suspends some gigafactories, some Tesla gigafactories, or something absolutely crazy goes wrong with Tesla, then we can potentially talk about Dogecoin being more valuable than Tesla itself. But until then, guys, everybody knows what has more in terms of value proposition. It's your Tesla. What can Dogecoin do? Nothing. Absolutely. That's complete fucking useless blockchain. Dogecoin does nothing. It's just a meme coin. Tesla, what is Tesla doing, guys? Creating electric vehicles for you, supplying all throughout the globe, having crazy market share in fucking electric vehicles, the little future. Well, this is what I talk about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. No brainer right here. No brainer right here. So if you have Dogecoin, probably buy Tesla with that. Probably buy Tesla, tokenize stocks with your Dogecoin. If you don't want your equity going down for the holy shit. Here comes my hiccup. So before my hiccups jump in, I'm gonna end up this video right here, guys. Let me know your shitcoins down in the comments below. Yes, we will take a look at all of those shitcoins in the coming videos as well. And take a look at these assets for yourself and decide what has greater value proposition, right? I'm gonna catch all of you in the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.